Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, we continue on doing mathematics. Guys, let me read the question. Express x cubed plus 1 over x cubed minus 1 in partial fractions. Guys, the first thing we are going to do is to divide. Maybe I can give an example because guys, it's like, as you can see, the numerator is more than the denominator. And so guys, for example, if you had 4 over 3, guys, this would be 3 divided by 4, that is 1. And then guys, we shall have a remainder 1, which is will now bring us to a third. And so guys, this can be 1 plus a third is equivalent to 4 over 3. So guys, we do the same thing. We come and divide here x cubed plus 1 divided by x cubed minus 1. Guys, we check to see what we can write here so that we can have x cubed. That is going to be 1. 1 multiplied by x cubed will give us x cubed. 1 multiplied by 1 will give us 1. So guys, when we subtract, we shall say 1 minus 1, which is 2. So guys, our remainder is now going to be 2. Just as we had a remainder of 1 when we divide 4 divided by 3. And so therefore guys, we are going to have now 1, then remainder 2 all over x cubed minus 1. Guys, now we have this. This is what now we have. And now we come here again. Before guys, we now come to this. We need now to establish, because guys, we have x cubed minus 1. And we know guys that for this, we have a factor of that which is 1. Because guys, if you put 1 cubed minus 1 will give us 0. So one of the factors guys then is going to be, and that's what we are going to divide with, is going to be x minus 1. That is one of the factors of x cubed minus 1. And so therefore guys, I have done that in this, whereby I have divided x cubed, as you can see here, plus 0x squared, because we don't have any coefficient, we don't have x squared, we also don't have x. So I have decided to put my coefficient as 0, then minus 1. This is essentially x cubed minus 1. You divide by x minus 1. The first thing you can multiply is x squared. You get x cubed there. Then x squared multiplied by negative 1, you get negative 1x squared. Then others will go, they are going to be 0. So when we now take away 0 minus 1 will give us 1. This is 0 minus 1 minus 0 will give us minus 1. Then we look for another number. X, if you multiply, you get x squared. That will be x. It will be x squared. And then it will be minus x. This one. Now plus 0. You take away, you remain with x minus 1. Look for a number. You multiply, you get x. That is, if you multiply x minus 1, that is going to be 1. And so therefore, finally, guys, we shall get 0. And so, guys, when we divide x cubed divided by x, that is x cubed divided by x minus 1, guys, we shall get x squared plus x plus 1, which is this. And that's why, guys, I have divided this one into this. This is equivalent to 2 all over x minus 1. This one you divide into 2. This is 2 numbers, which is x minus 1 and then x squared plus x plus 1. So if you multiply both, guys, you get that. After that, guys, we continue, whereby now, guys, we are going to divide this. We are going to divide now this into partial fractions, which we get a all over x minus 1 plus bx plus c all over x squared plus 1. So this 2 is equivalent to that. In fact, we can even put something like that. It's equivalent to that. Guys, now coming to the coefficient of x squared, which is a, and also b, because you have bx multiplied by x. So 0 is equals to a plus b. But remember guys, if you were to set x equals to 1, all of this will finish, and this one is going to be 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. That is 2 equals to a3, gives us 2 third. And that's where guys we are having now 2 third for a. And then for b is going to be negative 2 third. And c, likewise, if we have these equations, guys, we are going to get for negative 4 all over 3. This is negative 2 all over 3. So finally, guys, we are going to have this as our partial fraction. Guys, remember also that we had 1. We had 1, and so therefore, guys, this is going to be 1 plus. So let me correct that. And so guys, we have a as that is 2 third, b as negative 2 third, c as negative 4 all over 3. So guys, when we put that, we are now going to have this. Already I've corrected because my first one was 1 plus, then we have a, which is 2 all over 3, x minus 1. We have b. Guys, we can separate this. We separate this into 2 fractions under this denominator. So the b is negative 2 all over 3. This is x all over that, minus 4 all over 3, which is now c, all over, again, x squared plus x plus 1. And so, guys, this is our solution. So, guys, thank you for listening to me. Bye-bye.